Welcome to Tech Logics. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth unboxing and setup guide for the Imou DK1 2MP indoor smart security camera. This compact and versatile device is perfect for protecting your home, shop, or office, whether for doorway entry security, baby monitoring, or general surveillance. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire setup process step by step. We'll begin by unboxing the camera and reviewing all the included components. Next, we'll demonstrate how to install the memory card for local storage. Then, we'll guide you through downloading and configuring the mobile app. Finally, we'll show you how to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network for seamless remote access, allowing you to monitor your space anytime, anywhere. Highlighting the top features of the Imou indoor camera for smart surveillance. The Imou camera offers real-time alerts sent directly to your smartphone, allowing you to stay informed of any activity in your monitored space. Its advanced human detection technology can distinguish between people and other moving objects, helping to prevent false alarms caused by pets, trees, or passing vehicles. This ensures you receive relevant notifications and enhances your overall security. Equipped with 1080p resolution and night vision, the camera provides clear visibility both day and night. It features two-way audio, enabling you to see, hear, and communicate with your loved ones, pets, or visitors remotely. Whether checking in on your baby or comforting a pet while away, this feature fosters a stronger remote connection in a simple, effective way. The camera also detects specific sounds like crying or loud noises, which can alert you to unexpected events or needs. It integrates smoothly with Alexa, allowing you to view live footage using simple voice commands. This makes monitoring even more convenient, giving you instant access to your camera's feed without needing to open an app. For storage, you can insert a microSD card, up to 256 GB, sold separately, to keep local recordings. Alternatively, subscribing to Imou Protect enables cloud recording, providing additional security and accessible footage from anywhere. When you open your camera package, you'll discover a range of components designed to ensure a smooth setup process. Included are the fixed lens IR night vision camera, a mounting sticker, a drill template with screws, a user manual, a USB cable, and a DC power adapter. These thoughtfully selected accessories are aimed at making installation simple and quick, whether you're a novice or a seasoned professional. With all the necessary tools at hand, setting up a comprehensive surveillance system is easy and hassle-free. Let's walk through the process of inserting the memory card into the Imou camera. While it's a simple task, it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your camera operates smoothly and performs at its best. First, make sure to power off your camera before beginning. This precaution helps prevent any potential damage to both the camera and the microSD card during installation. Although it may seem minor, turning off the device helps ensure a safe and trouble-free setup. Next, locate the microSD card slot, usually found on the side of the camera. Carefully insert the microSD card, aligning it with the orientation indicated by nearby icons. For optimal use, a microSD card with a capacity of up to 256 GB is recommended, allowing you to record roughly 7 to 10 days of footage, depending on your video quality and recording settings, whether continuous or motion-triggered. If you need to remove the card later, simply press it gently to release it and pull it out. Always ensure the card is securely seated to prevent data loss or recording issues. To start configuring the mobile app for your Imou Wi-Fi camera, first ensure that the camera is properly powered using the provided DC power adapter and USB cable. A stable power supply is essential for the camera to operate correctly during setup. Once connected, give the camera a few moments to boot up and establish a connection to the power source and network. After powering on, the camera will initially show a red LED light, indicating that it has received power. A few moments later, the LED will turn green, then start flashing, signaling that the camera is ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network. This flashing green light indicates the camera is prepared for further setup steps and encourages you to proceed with connecting it to your network. To download and install the Imou Lite app, you can either scan the QR code provided in the user manual or begin by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Once in the store, Type Imou Lite into the search bar at the top and look for the app developed by Watching Network. Ensure you select the correct version to avoid any confusion. Tap on the app to access its page, then press the Install button to begin downloading. During installation, the app may ask for permissions such as access to your location, storage, or camera. Accept these permissions to proceed. The app will then automatically download and install, which generally takes just a few minutes. Once the process is complete, you'll see the Imou Lite icon on your home screen or app drawer. After installation, open the app by tapping Open or selecting its icon. If you already possess an Imou account, simply enter your registered phone number or email address along with your password to log in. For new users, select the registration option, choose whether to sign up using your email or mobile number, and select your country to ensure proper setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your details and complete the registration process. During registration, a verification code will be sent to your email or via SMS. Check your messages for the code, then enter it into the app when prompted. Create a strong and secure password to finalize the account setup. In this demonstration, I'm logging in directly with my existing credentials, but new users should complete the registration steps accordingly. For added convenience, you can link your email address or mobile number to your account, making future logins quicker and easier. The app may also request permission to enable location services and Bluetooth, which help facilitate quick camera pairing and smooth operation. During the initial setup of the Imou Lite app, you'll be prompted to customize your home page and select your preferred live view options. This helps personalize your experience, making it easier to access your devices and monitor your space efficiently right from the start. Taking a moment to set up these preferences can make navigation smoother and more tailored to your needs. Additionally, if you're interested in staying updated with the latest product news, updates, and special offers, you can opt to subscribe to Imou's newsletter. To add your Imou Wi-Fi camera to the Imou Lite app, keep your phone, camera, and router close together to ensure a stable connection during setup. Proper positioning of your phone nearby helps establish a smooth and quick connection, as the camera's network mode and proximity are crucial for a trouble-free process. To add your camera, tap on Add Device or the plus symbol icon, then select Scan QR code when prompted. The app will request permissions for location and camera access. Be sure to grant these to proceed smoothly. Position your camera so that its QR code, located on the body of the device, can be easily scanned by your phone's camera. To click the Save QR Code option, you can save the camera's QR code to your phone's storage as a backup. This is useful in case you lose the original QR code or it gets tampered with on the camera later, allowing you to easily add or restore the device whenever necessary. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will check the camera's LED. Confirm that the LED turns green, indicating the device is ready for network connection. If the LED is not green, you may need to press and hold the reset button for up to 5 seconds to restore factory settings, then attempt the process again. Next, if prompted, enable location services on your device, as this assists in ensuring a smoother connection process. The app will then attempt to connect to the camera's temporary hotspot Wi-Fi network, usually named something like DAP-XXX. Select this Wi-Fi network and tap the Connect button to proceed. Once connected to this temporary network, you can continue with the setup to link your camera to your home Wi-Fi network. When selecting your Wi-Fi network, choose your home or office 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the camera only supports 2.4 GHz and not 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, then tap Next. The app will verify the credentials, and once confirmed, the camera will start connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Please note that this setup process may take a few moments, as the camera needs to establish a connection to your Wi-Fi as well as communicate with Imou's servers. We appreciate your patience during this period, as both the device and the server complete the connection process. If the addition process fails or you encounter an error, simply retry the same steps again. Usually, repeating the process ensures a successful connection and setup of your camera. Once the setup is successful, you'll see the camera's LED turn a stable green, indicating it is properly connected. Additionally, the app will display a message saying, "Device added successfully," confirming that the camera is now connected to your network. As part of the initial setup, you'll be prompted to choose a name for your camera that helps you easily identify it later, especially if you're setting up multiple devices. Additionally, select a location that best describes where the camera is installed, such as living room, front door, or office. This helps organize your devices and makes managing them more straightforward through the app. Next, ensure that you select the correct region based on your country. This setting allows the camera to automatically adjust the date and time according to your local time zone, ensuring accurate recordings and notifications. Once you've entered the camera name, location, and region, simply tap the Next button to continue with the setup process. Next, the app will prompt you to choose a cloud-based storage option, which offers a free trial initially, with a subscription plan available for ongoing monthly payments. However, since this demonstration is focused on storing footage locally on the microSD card inserted into the camera, cloud storage is not necessary. You can decide whether to activate this feature based on your preference. To skip this step, simply tap the Skip button located at the top right corner of the app screen. Finally, ensure you grant the necessary permissions, especially to enable notifications on your phone. Allowing notifications will keep you informed of any alerts or activity detected by your camera, making your security setup more effective. Once the setup is complete, your camera is ready for use. After connecting to Wi-Fi and successfully adding the device to the app, you can install the camera in your chosen location. The camera will now be fully operational, allowing you to enjoy live streaming, playback recordings, and use two-way audio controls. Whether you're at home, at the office, or on the go, you can access the camera effortlessly from anywhere using your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. To ensure your live footage is stored properly, you need to verify the status of your memory card. Open the camera settings in the Imou app, navigate to your camera, and select Local Storage. If the card status displays as uninitialized or shows no free space, tap on Storage Medium and hit the Format button. This action will format the card to make it ready for recording. Once the formatting is successfully completed, the status will change to normal, and the available storage capacity will be displayed. You can access your recorded footage by switching to the SD card storage view within the app. Additionally, you can customize when recordings occur by enabling the Schedule Recording section. This allows you to set a weekly schedule, specifying the times you want the camera to record footage, ensuring it captures video only during your chosen periods. To view the recorded footage, click on the Playback option on the home screen. Ensure that you have selected Local Storage to access the recordings stored on your memory card. A timeline will appear on the screen, allowing you to drag it to view past recordings. Additionally, you can click on the calendar icon to select specific dates and adjust the start and end times to focus on the footage that meets your needs. This feature provides a convenient way to review specific events or time periods from your recorded history. If you found this video helpful, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Liking, sharing, and subscribing not only motivates us but also enables us to continue producing more informative content and valuable resources for our community. Every bit of support makes a difference, and we're thankful to have you as part of our audience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and updates.